The ordinary Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and the new twist on an old classic, the Watch 6 Classic, have arrived to shake up the wearable world once again. The most noticeable variations are the appearance and feel of both gadgets. When picking between the two watches, the price is likely to be the most important criterion. The Classic has a larger case size, 3mm larger than its Watch 6 contemporaries, but it will also feel considerably heavier on your wrist, which is due to a material difference rather than a size difference. A normal Watch 6 has an aluminum case, but a Classic Watch 6 is composed of stainless steel, a significantly heavier metal. It gives the Watch 6 Classic a more traditional appearance and feel when contrasted to the Watch 6, which seems to be a contemporary day run-of-the-mill smartwatch or health tracker. The spinning bezel, a fan-favorite feature that was missing from last year's Watch 5 collection, is the second huge tweak on the Watch 6 Classic. The tactile rotating bezel is a nice addition, and if it's anything like it was on the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, it'll be great for navigating menus. The non-classic watch May 6 not have a rotating bezel. Finally, although the case sizes change, the screens do not. Both the Watch 6 and 6 Classic feature a 1.3-inch AMOLED display with a 432 by 432 resolution on their smaller models, which are 40 and 43 mm in size. Meanwhile, the bigger variants of each watch, 44 and 47 mm in diameter, have a 1.5-inch AMOLED display with a 480 by 480 screen resolution. Every model, regardless of size, has an always-on display shielded by a sapphire crystal lens. The battery life of the Watch 6 models with comparable sizes stays stable. It should be noted that both the 40mm Watch 6 and the 43mm Watch 6 Classic have 300 mAh batteries. Meanwhile, the 44mm Watch 6 and the 47mm Watch 6 Classic have slightly higher capacity 425 mAh batteries. However, despite the size differences, Samsung has rated all Galaxy Watch 6 models for the same amount of battery life, which maxes out at 40 hours without the always-on display running, and 30 hours if that feature is enabled. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.